Hello all. So in this article we are going to discuss about fourth schedule of the Constitution, which talks about allocation of seats in the Council of States. That is, किस स्टेट को कितनी सीट्स allocate की जाती हैं in the Council of State, वो इस schedule में mentioned है. So you know that in Rajya Sabha there are the maximum strength which is allowed in the Constitution is 250. While at present the strength of Rajya Sabha is 245 and इसमें से 233 are elected members and 12 are nominated members जिनको president nominate करते हैं for their special characteristics. 233 members are elected members from states and union territories, and these elected members are chosen by elected MLAs of each state or union territory. The system which is followed here is proportional representation by means of single transferable vote. Originally, the number of seats in the Rajya Sabha were 217, while with time this has increased to 245 today, with in response to new states being formed, territories being reorganized and population changes, that is population increase, and because of that seats in Rajya Sabha are also increased or have also increased over time. As per Article 4 Clause 1, it explains that when Parliament passes a law under Article 2 or Article 3 which deals with formation or alteration of states, so it must also include the changes after this in the first and fourth schedule whenever necessary. Since these articles alter the states or form new states, so that changes must be reflected in first and fourth schedule, and fourth schedule here deals with allocation of seats to Council of States. So when a new state is formed or alteration occurs, like reorganization of state, then the seats must be allocated in that sense or in an organized manner and should be reflected in this article, or to say in this schedule. Then Article 80 Clause 2. So Article 80 Clause 2 deals with Rajya Sabha, and it says that the number of seats allocated to each state and union territory must follow the structure that is laid out in the fourth schedule. As per this schedule, the maximum number of seats which is allocated to any state is UP, and the second maximum is to Maharashtra. Apart from that, there are certain union territories which have not been given any representation due to them being very small to be given representation in Council of States. These are the union territories which have not been given any representation in Council of States. That is, they are allocated 0 seats in the Council of States. Apart from that, you must remember that the allocation of seats which is happening under this schedule, it is based on population of a state, and this becomes point of contention because the states like UP, which has more population than any other state, gets the more representation than other states, like just 1 seat for Sikkim, Tripura and other northeastern states, while others like Karnataka also getting small seats, Gujarat getting 11 seats. In comparison to that, UP gets 31 seats, that is the maximum number of seats. So this is actually in contrast with US, जहाँ पे there is a equal representation for each state, that is each state will be given equal number of seats in the Senate. So this is it for today's article. And this is it for fourth schedule. Apart from that, in the coming lectures, we will deal with other schedules of the Constitution of India, and we will also discuss that how the schedules have evolved over time. So this is it for today's article. Thank you so much. You can like and subscribe if you want more videos from my side. Thank you.